In today's video, one of my favorites, a chocolate peanut butter banana smoothie. It's delicious and satisfying, low fat and high protein, super easy to make, and comes in at 220 calories. Let's get started. Welcome to Spirit and Muscle, where faith meets fitness. I'm young Gerald, certified personal trainer, and I love yummy desserts, but I also value my health and enjoy looking and feeling my best. So that puts me on a quest to find the yummiest yet healthiest dessert options and share them with you. Today, a delicious, high-protein, low-fat, chocolate peanut butter banana smoothie. This recipe is so simple, it takes just a few minutes. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 scoop of chocolate whey protein powder. Half a banana. 1/4 cup of almond or soy milk. 2 tablespoons of PB Fit peanut butter powder. 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. 2 to 3 packets of stevia natural sweetener. And a few ice cubes. First, put the almond milk and the ice cubes in a blender. Blend on low for about 30 seconds. Next, add the half a banana and blend for about 30 more seconds. Add the rest of the ingredients, the protein powder, peanut butter powder, cocoa powder, stevia, and blend for 1 or 2 more minutes. And that's it. Pour into your favorite mug. Top with a sprinkle of cocoa powder and enjoy. All right, and now for the moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen, the taste test. That is so good. Yes, I know I'm a biased opinion, but it really is good. Cheers! This smoothie is so rich and delicious, guaranteed to take the edge off your sugar cravings, and the protein and high volume makes it very satisfying. It comes in at 220 total calories with a whopping 35 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, 24 grams of carbs, making this an easy, low-fat, low-calorie, high-protein, delicious dessert. Today's featured product is the Only Whey Chocolate Protein Powder by Spirit and Muscle. Use coupon code NEWFAM15 to get 15% off your first order and support Spirit and Muscle. The link is in the description. To learn how to stop feeling hungry all the time, click the video on the top. Or for more about how to reach your faith-based fitness goals, click the bottom choice. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.